What happened to the intense, steamy sex you used to have, in the beginning of your relationship? Where did it go? It may have been lost, but it may be discovered again. You, like many individuals, may be unsure of how to spice things up in the bedroom. Will it may need more effort? Yes, it will. Will you have to put off watching the latest episode of your favorite TV show? Yes. You have more essential things to accomplish. But, the bedroom will not heat itself. So, let's get that sex life up and running again. Here are some tips to get you up and running again. Number 1. Recognize the absence of sex. It's not a nightmare, believe me. But it's time to admit that your sexual life is waning. Accepting this reality will enable you to begin making the required modifications if you want to learn how to spice up things in the bedroom. Number 2. Why don't you have sex? Perhaps you and your partner are in a rut, feeling a little detached. That will just necessitate greater work from both parties. Or it might be for another cause, perhaps one of you works too many hours and is too exhausted at the end of the day to do anything. Or perhaps you have a new baby. Perhaps your partner is constantly on the road, which could explain why your sex life is beyond dead. Whatever it is, attempt to identify the underlying causes of your two not having sex. Number 3. Begin outside the bedroom. Start outside the bedroom if you want to know how to liven things up in the bedroom. It appears to be counterproductive, but it is not. However, you do not have to wait till you are nude to have sexual relations with your partner. Send them a filthy text while they're at work. Make them want to return home and discover what awaits them. It's an excellent way to channel the mischievous, wicked energy that characterizes the early stages of a relationship. Number 4. Send dirty photos. Not only are dirty photos amusing to receive, but they are also amusing to take. Wear seductive clothing, or don't wear anything at all. Also, you are not required to submit them a complete nude picture. Instead, you might give them a photo of the portion of your body they love the most and make them long to see the rest of you. It's a terrific tactic to spice up your sex life and to get the sexual energy flowing. Send them a naughty photo from the bedroom while they're downstairs watching TV. They'll sprint over real quick. It's always good to keep the sexual energy alive by doing simple little things. Number 5. Make each other feel good. You must let your lover know how much you value them. Everyone wants a sense of desire and affection. Give them a compliment when you feel like it, but don't push it. Your partner will notice that you are paying attention to them and taking note of the subtleties if you compliment them. That will undoubtedly liven up your sexual life. Number 6. Improve communication. You're going to need to communicate well if you want to know how to liven things up in the bedroom. You may be always bickering, which keeps your sexual life from being at its best. If that's the case, it's time to stop arguing. You and your partner must develop excellent communication skills. After you insulted your partner's partner, why would they want to have sex with you? Exactly. So abusing someone verbally won't help you get laid. Number 7. Engage in sexual activity everywhere but the bedroom. Everyone engages in sexual activity in the bedroom, which is essentially the most conventional and predictable area to do it. So refrain from having sexual relations there. Go have sex on the sofa, the kitchen counter, the shower, or in the automobile. It's enjoyable to shake things up a bit and deviate from the norm, but you don't have to do it constantly. Number 8. Get some toys. Purchase some sex toys from the shop. Try out beads, vibrators, dildos, or anything else that appeals to you as fun. Additionally, you'll be laughing yourself into an orgasm. Number 9. Try a new position. Sometimes it's a good idea to change positions. Try trying a new position once a week if one new position each day is too much too soon. It's critical to avoid being sex routine hooked. It's not a good idea to be able to list your partner's and your own preferred sex positions off by heart. A fantastic method to discover how to liven up the bedroom is by giving new ideas a try. Number 10. Have a quickie. Sex doesn't have to be all out so long all the time. Great sex can be in 5 minutes, when both of your pants are around your ankles. After all, quickies are hot and unexpected and real good. It's a wonderful way to add a little zing to learning how to liven up the bedroom. Especially if you live your life anticipating when it will occur. Number 10. Have fun with food. Your mother's worst advice was probably not to play with your food. We believe that counsel is incomplete. Don't play with your food at dinner, but play with it in the bedroom. Whether it's whipped cream, chocolate, or sweets, try incorporating it into intercourse. If you want to learn how to spice up your sex life, having your partner lick whipped cream from your body is a great way to start. Number 12. Have date night. Going on dates is essential. While having sex is vital, you should also take the time to sit down and just enjoy each other's company outside of the bedroom. Take a date to the movies, a new restaurant, or a festival. Nothing will happen in the bedroom if you stay on the couch. When learning how to spice things up in the bedroom, it is often necessary to consider the broader picture. Number 13. Spend the night in a hotel. Everything changes when you're at a hotel for some reason. You're at ease, don't mind if the place is a mess, and don't have to cook. So, why not book a hotel room and go all out? You'll have fantastic sex, and you'll be able to watch porn on TV, thus slaying two birds with one stone. Number 14. Keep track of your sex life. Knowing how you're doing is an important part of learning how to spice things up in the bedroom. Examine how much sex you're actually having and record it on your calendar. While implementing some of these suggestions, keep track of the frequency to determine if it's making an impact. If it isn't, you or your partner may have an underlying problem. Number 15. Be the one to make the first move. Maybe you just need to be the one to start the sex. If you're not used to it, it can be nerve-wracking, but try being the one to make the first move. They'll let you know if they don't want to have sex. This is always a winner when it comes to learning how to liven things up in the bedroom. Number 16. Much desires more. Surprisingly, if you have sex, you will have more sex. There's a reason you're not having sex if you're continually saying no. As you begin to have sex, you will realize that you will have more and more. You've got that will in motion. That's how you jazz up your bedroom. Number 17. Take them by surprise. Your lunch companion looks up from their sandwich to catch you looking at them with that expression. They expected to have a lunch and snooze, not wind up in doggy style. You don't have to surprise them with sex alone. You can treat your sweetheart to a weekend vacation or something from their favorite store. Number 18. Don't wait till your partner is around to entice them. Send a couple sensual images during the day to tease your partner into wanting more when you both get together later. As before, texting is an excellent technique to rekindle the flame. Just be careful to send your text to the correct individual. Number 19. Using mirrors. Increase the intensity of your sexual encounters by placing full-length mirrors next to your bed. If you want to reproduce a foursome sexual dream, you can have sex quite near to the mirror. Watch your own behavior or consider another pair. Number 20. Cook supper together while wearing only the bare necessities. Just take care not to burn yourself. Cooking is a nice pastime to perform with your partner in any case, but when you're both half or completely nude, well, you can imagine what happens. Number 21. Have an affair with your significant other. Make a date with each other and act as though you are having an affair. You have to give it a try to understand how seductive it is. In a restaurant, the two people meet and begin to entice one another. This is a terrific approach to learn how to liven up the bedroom, even though it seems sort of weird. Number 22. Increase your foreplay. Focusing on the foreplay is one of the finest methods to have excellent sex. Make each other aroused by playing with them for just 15 minutes before engaging in sexual activity. Both of you will end up having better sex. So make sure you caress and compliment each other's bodies during those 15 minutes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.